Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm in quarantine and I'm pretty bored, so what I thought I'd do today is show you guys how I made the headlight guard for the DR650. It also applies for the DRZ400 because I'm pretty sure the cowling is the same and the headlight's the same. So I've got some scrap acrylic here. First thing we need to do is get the measurements. I'm sure you guys know how to do that. What I'm going to do is just trace my one that I've already measured. So I'll cut it out with a handsaw because not everyone has a grinder, and I'll show you guys how I get that curve. Let's see how it turns out. So let's get into it. Okay, so like I was saying, most of you guys know how to use your measuring tape, so I'll just cheat a little bit. I'll just use my old one. Get the shape of it. Got the shape done. I'll get the hacksaw now and we'll get the rough shape of it out, and then we'll use the bench grinder to touch it up. Alright, so just the average hacksaw. We'll just cut the excess off, if I can do it cleanly enough on video. Alright, so that didn't take much more than a couple of minutes. I know there was quite a lot of excess on that, but it's safer to use a grinder rather than the hacksaw because it just reduces the risk of cracking it. So what we're going to do next is polish the sides with some sandpaper, emery paper and some water. Once we've done that, we'll take this protective coating off and then I'll show you how we get the curve. Alright, so I've got myself some 240 grit sandpaper and some water. You can go as far as you want with this. I always find 240 is enough. Do this for a couple of minutes, get it smooth, and then we'll go to the next step. So I think that's enough. So we'll take this off now, so we don't melt it when we put it in the oven. As you can see, the edges are quite smooth. Could spend a bit more time on it if you wanted. I'm just going to show you guys how it's done so you can do it yourselves. So next step is the oven. This is the dangerous part, so let's get into that. So what I mean by dangerous is this. You need to steal this from inside without your missus seeing you, and take the lid off, or the handle, sorry. Take the handle off. I'll let down here, do this real quick before you get seen. And what I've found is this is actually almost perfectly the same contour as the headlight. So you put this here and you put it in this orientation. I'm sure you guys don't have the exact lid, but I assume they're pretty much the same. And you want to put it right there when you put it in the oven. And as you can see, it'll bring down the middle and it also slightly curves this edge. So I'll clean this, put it in the oven, and then see how it fits. Alright, so that's all there is to it, guys. Another headlight shield. I've only got these small Velcro dots. You can find these anywhere. I'd suggest getting the bigger ones, but just for demonstration purposes, I'll stick on some of these and see how it fits on the bike. But as you can see, nice little contour, same as that one. Fits on really nicely. Let's see how it fits anyway. So stick these Velcro dots on and we should be done. Alright, so I'll stick the Velcro dots on. I'm not going to take my ones off there because I've already got them on. Just for demonstration purposes. Let's see how it fits. You can pick these little Velcro things up really cheap for like $1, if that. Obviously I haven't lined them up very well, just demonstration. Way off. Anyway, so you get the point, guys. You line them up better than me. But if you think they're going to come off, I've had one of these on a couple of years, never had a problem with them. Although I am using bigger ones, so try get ones more this size. Anyways, if you look closely, it fits the contour of the headlight absolutely perfectly, and it's not touching in the middle. It's just perfect, in my opinion. So thanks for watching, guys. Give it a go yourself. Till next time, catch you later.